Hello guys, welcome to Electrical Prep. So today we are looking at this Olympic math question. We have to solve for x in 4 exponent x plus 6 exponent x is equal to 9 exponent x. Okay, so we're going to get 4x on 4x plus 6x on 4x, which is equal to 9x on 4x. Okay, so this one, the cancel out to give us 1. Okay, plus 6x on 4x is equal to 9x on 4x. Okay, and don't forget, in indices, we have this rule which says a power n on b power n. It gives us a over b all power n. Okay, so we are going to use this rule. So we use this rule to rewrite the equation again. So we have 1 plus 6 on 4 to bracket exponent x, which is equal to 9 on 4 exponent x. Okay, good. So now we can simplify this further. We are going to get 1 plus, 2 goes into 4. How many times? It goes here 2, and it goes into 6 3 times. So we are going to get 3 on 2. 3 on 2 all squared exponent x. Okay. We had this expression because square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 4 is 2. So we can write it as 3 on 2 all squared. So when you want to get our 9 on 4 back, it is possible because 3 squared is 9 and 4 squared is 4. Okay, good. So with this, we say that we let y is equal to 3 on 2 exponent x. Okay, so it means that wherever we see 3 on 2 exponent x, we represent it by y. Okay, so we are going to get 1 plus, so can get y is equal to, don't forget, this expression, we can rewrite it as 3 on 2 exponent x exponent 2. You see? So we are going to get 1 plus y is equal to, so this one here give us y, then the square, so y squared. So we are forming a quadratic equation. So y squared minus, we are sending this to the right hand side, minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So we use the quadratic formula to solve for this quadratic equation. And we say that y is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac all on 2a. So from here, we can see that our a is 1, our b, which is this, is negative 1, then our c is equal to negative 1. So we are going to use the quadratic formula to solve for this quadratic equation. Let's continue. So we are going to get y is equal to, so we have minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus root of, so we have negative 1 all squared minus 4 to bracket 1 multiplied by negative 1 all over 2 multiplied by 1. So we are going to get y is equal to plus or minus root of 5 on 2. Okay, so let's look for the positive side and the negative side. So when y is positive, we are going to get 1 plus root of 5 all on 2. And let's see when y is negative. When y is negative, we get 1 minus root of 5 on 2. So which is negative value, and we reject. Okay, we reject for the negative part of y. Okay, since y cannot never be negative in this case. So we take the positive side for y. We say that y is equal to 1 plus root of 5, or we say that y is equal to 1 plus root of 5 on 2, since y is greater than 0. Okay, so we go again, know that, but our y is equal to 3 on 2 exponent x. So we get 3 on 2 exponent x is equal to 1 plus root of 5 on 2. So we take natural log of both sides. Take the natural log of both sides, we get ln to bracket 3 on 2 exponent x is equal to ln to bracket 1 plus root of 5 on 2. Okay, so we have this rule, say that ln a exponent b is equal to b ln a. Okay, in logarithm. So our expression becomes, it will be x ln into bracket 3 on 2, which is equal to ln into bracket 1 plus root of 5 on 2. So our x, we divide both sides by ln 3 on 2, ln 3 on 2. So we are going to make x the subject. So we are going to get x is equal to ln into bracket 1 plus root 5 on 2 on ln, so all over ln into bracket 3 on 2. Okay, so this is our answer for the question. So our x, the final answer, our x is equal to ln into bracket 1 plus root 5 on 2 all over ln 3 on 2. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.